Dear students, today we'll be discussing polynomials. But before discussing polynomials, let me tell you what is a term. A term is the product of variables and constants. Variables and constants. For example, 5x, this is a term. Here variable is x and constant is 5. Constant is the coefficient of the variable. Coefficient of x is 5, so it is a constant. We have another term 7x square, 8y, all these are terms. Here variable is y and constant is 8. So 8y is a term. Now let me explain you what is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is an expression made up of variables and constants along with mathematical operators. For example, 7x square plus 5x minus 2. This is an algebraic expression. It is made up of variables and constants. We have three terms here. It is made up of three terms along with two mathematical operators. These two are mathematical operators. The term polynomial is made up of two terms, poly and nomials. Poly means many and nomials means terms or parts. Now let me define what is a polynomial. A polynomial px in one variable x is an expression of the form an xn plus a n minus 1 x n minus 1 plus so on a2 x2 plus a1 x plus a0. This is the general form of a polynomial, and where a0, a1, a2, an are respectively the coefficients of x, x0, x, x2 and still xn, and n is called the degree of the polynomial. This is the degree of the polynomial. Each of these is the terms of the polynomial. All these are the terms of the polynomial. Now, what is the degree of the polynomial? We are saying here that n is the degree of the polynomial. The highest exponent on the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. So here the highest exponent on a variable is x is n. So n is the degree of the polynomial. If we take a polynomial 6x cube plus 2x square plus 5x minus 1. Here the highest exponent is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Now polynomials are classified on the basis of terms. On the basis of terms, we have monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial means single term, that is 5x. This is an example of a monomial. 100, this is also a monomial. Binomial, 2x square plus 2. Many examples we can have. Trinomial, 6x cube plus 3x plus 1. Three terms. Trinomial consists of three terms. Now polynomials are also classified on the basis of their degree as, on the basis of degrees, the classification is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. A linear polynomial is a polynomial of degree 1. For example, 6x plus 2. Here the highest exponent of the variable x is 1. So its degree is 1. It is a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 2. For example, 2x square plus 8x plus 9. This is a quadratic polynomial since the highest exponent is 2. And cubic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 3. For example, 9x cube plus 8x square plus 2x plus 1. This is a cubic polynomial. Now, we have zeros of a polynomial which you have already studied in class 9, that a real number a is a zero of the polynomial px if pa equal to 0. If we have a polynomial px and for that polynomial if a is a 0, so the value of the polynomial, if you put a in place of x, it will become 0. So a is said to be the 0 of the polynomial. So we'll take few examples and we'll also discuss the geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial in the next part. Thank you.